Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. This is Sokli Sa, CEO of Spark and Spring. In today's video, I am going to demo how to make a purchase on the Spark and Spring website. So here we are on the Spark and Spring homepage. Basically, the homepage is the shop page. You just scroll to the greeting card that you want to send. So you can either scroll top to bottom, or if you go to the very bottom, you can find different categories that we have available. So for me, I'm looking for a work related greeting card. So I'm going to go to Respectfully Yours, which we have one greeting card available under that category. And we're going to see what card is available for us to send. So this one says, Respectfully Yours. You've unlocked a big achievement with your impressive job promotion. And there's a Bible quote from 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 31 that says, Therefore, whether you eat or drink, or whatever you do, do all to the glory of God. Okay? That sounds beautiful. So now we're going to select the options available. And basically, once you're on the page of that specific card, there's some fields that you have to fill in. So sender's full name, that's going to be my name since I am sending the card. Recipient's full name, I'm going to send this card to our new director, Samuel Heathorn. And this is the recipient's email. And with the border color, for an extra 50 cents, you can have color around the border. And I think we're willing to pay that extra 50 cents to have gold around the card. And for an extra dollar, you can add a personalized message. So I'm going to add this message. Okay. I'm not going to choose same day rush, but for an extra dollar more, you can have it sent the same day. I'm just going to add it to the cart. So with the options that we had selected, the $1.99 with the $1.50 extra becomes $3.49, the price of a coffee, depending on where you get it. So now it says here, big achievement, respectfully yours, greeting card virtual, say it like you mean it, has been added to your cart. So we can view the cart. And when we view the cart, this is the page essentially that will allow us to check out. But let's see what loads up here. Okay, so it says checkout. We're viewing the card. All my details have been completed. You know what? I'll subscribe to the emails with discounts and product information. And then it says review your order. This gives you an overview of your purchase. So it says your specific card, big achievement, respectfully yours, greeting card, virtual, say it like you mean it. Sender's full name, recipient's full name, recipient's email, border color, personalized greeting, same day rush, false. And then basically, we just have to add the payment information. So basically, once you fill in the billing details, I'm going to add my phone number here. So once you fill in the billing detail, you just click debit or credit card. Okay, now it has loaded, and then you just enter your credit card information. And then you confirm that you're of legal age and agree to the PayPal privacy statement, so at least 18 years of age. You know what, we're going to start with the 5 for MasterCard. And then we just click on pay $3.49 to make the purchase. It's that simple, folks. And then basically your card will be sent out within 48 hours unless you picked the same day rush. But basically, this has been an overview of how to make a purchase on the Spark and Spring website. I hope you enjoyed the overview. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. All the best. Goodbye.